Types of looms. In previous lectures, we have discussed working principle, advantages, disadvantages, properties, designs produced, and applications of hand loom, power loom, rapier loom, air jet loom, water jet loom. Further, we will discuss today about the projectile looms, and in next lecture will cover circular loom and jacquard looms. Working principle of projectile loom is it uses a small projectile like a shuttle device to carry the weft thread across the warp. The projectile is propelled mechanically or pneumatically. It means in projectile loom, projectile is used like a shuttle is used to carry the weft bobbin or a weft yarn across the warp for weaving process. It may be working by mechanical process or pneumatical process. The shed is formed by raising and lowering the warp thread using a Dobby or Jacquard systems. As in previous lecture, we have discussed the working principle of air jet looms. Air is used for insertion of weft yarn. Advantages. There are different advantages and disadvantages of each type of loom. When we talk about the advantage, first is these are high speed and productivity, faster than shuttle looms. Second, wider fabric width can weave fabric up to 500 centimeter wide. Third advantage is lower weft breakage, reduces stress on yarn, leading to better fabric quality. Because higher the weft breakage, it will damage the appearance of fabric and ultimately also reduce the efficiency of machine or production efficiency. Fourth advantage is lower energy consumption, more efficient than rapier looms. Fifth advantage is versatility, suitable for cotton, polyester, wool, and technical textiles. Some looms are non versatile, they are only for polyester, nylon, hydrophobic related fibers like water jet looms. There are some disadvantages of these looms: high initial investment, expensive machinery, so the capital investment is high. Higher maintenance cost requires precise alignment of projectiles that can lead to increase the maintenance cost. Next is limited weft insertion types cannot handle very delicate or highly elastic weft. The last disadvantage is no complex design, mainly used for basic weaves, plain, twill, satin, and basic jacquard. Most of the looms are used for complex designs, but in case of projectile, it is used for simple designs. Projectile looms designs produced on these looms. In case of plain weave, shirting, poplin, canvas related fabrics designs are produced. In case of twill weave, denim, gabardine, or sweating related designs are produced. For certain weaves, luxury fabrics, upholstery like designs are produced. Basic jacquard designs, towels, decorative textiles. These are the types of designs produced on different weaves of fabric. Key features of these looms, these are suitable for wide and heavy fabric, low maintenance compared to shuttleless looms. Shuttle looms used for industrial textiles like canvas, denim, and heavy duty fabrics. Projectile looms properties, there are some properties, these are strong, heavy duty performance, used for heavy duty performance, can handle thick and strong yarns, high durability for industrial fabrics. These are the key properties of projectile looms. When we talk about the applications, applications are heavy duty fabrics such as denim, canvas, technical textiles. As these things we have discussed in initial slides, in which we have described the designs produced on different weaves, specialty, robust, and suitable for heavy and wide fabrics. Core preference, when we talk about core preference for industrial applications requiring durable textiles, these looms are used. Conclusion, when we talk about the conclusion, each loom has specific applications, advantages, and limitations based on its design and technology. The selection of a loom depends upon following variables like fabric type, lightweight, heavy duty, or intricate pattern. Second variable is selection of loom depend upon production needs. Either you need small scale customization production or large scale efficiency. Third variable is cost and resources. Cost, when we talk about the cost and the resources, budget is the main critical element in any organization or in any project. Energy availability, that is the related to operational cost of that machine, and operational complexity, that is related to skilled labor and techniques to handle, maintain. Fourth variable on which selection of loom depends is market demand, artisanal versus industrial. Either you are producing for industry or luxury, or only you have focus of bulk production. These are the variables on which selection of loom is dependent. I hope by this lecture your concept about the projectile looms will be very clear. We shall see you in next lecture with the topic of circular looms and jacquard looms. Thank you, Lavis.